So we're on our way to Jefferson Briscadas to drop off 3 of the puppies and Mummy. They're gonna be in really good hands over there. I'm exhausted to the very end. I'm so done. I need a break and I need some cleanliness in my house. It's just, it's gotten just, we did everything we could. And I can't do no more. So I'm looking forward to checking this guy's place out. We'll be able to go and volunteer here and help support in other ways. Yeah, raw and real. Yeah. Let's see. This is just unbelievable. How of all the places he picks, he wants to go through there instead of there, and now he's there. I think he's gone way up that hill to get a bulldozer to help pull the truck out, and this is the thickest mud I've ever encountered. And of course it had to like just pour fucking rain. Look at poor honey. I can't believe you fell down in the mud.
Me there.
I didn't leave you there.
I couldn't get my feet out. My feet were coming out of my boots.
Well, I was stuck too though. Look at this, is just a disaster, man. Oh, wow. I don't know why you didn't want to pour the charcoal down. Robin fell down again in the mud. Oh my God, this is unfucking real, man. Like, oh, gee, look at her. Look at her, like a fish out of water. Okay, there you go. Why?
Carm, don't you do it. No, stop that.
Don't worry, I got her. Oh my God. Oh, wow.
I was just trying to rinse them.
Don't bother. Just stay away.
That's like 4 more pounds added to my
Like my Uggs? Like my Uggs, everybody? This is about as real and raw as it gets.
This is unbelievable. You don't want to go this route if you're coming down to Jefferson's dog rescue. This is definitely the wrong route to go. This is way harder all the way up here. Like how? Why would he drive through that shit, man? My God, and these guys are like, and look at, there's a guy in a fucking moped coming here. Get the 10 pounds of mud off my boots here. Like, can you believe it? There's a guy stuck down there on his moped or something. Oh, I wonder how long this is gonna take. Should have probably, oh look at some rope. We'll pull him out. Maybe he should have shut his truck off. Watch, he's gonna run out of gas next.
Exactly, that's what I said.
Oh boy. Poor honey, look at.
Here we are. We are going to deliver the dogs to Jefferson Riscata. Their good pal Wilson. Don't really know where it is, so we were told some directions. And see this nice hard road to drive on here that we could have driven on? But no. Wilson has 4x4, so decided to take.
he wanted to go through that
road, and now we're stuck. See my Uggs?
Oh,
Look at those beautiful Uggs.
It's a flat rock, man. Maybe we should wedge those under the tires to try to get ourselves. This is unbelievable. We finally made it here. Finally made it here to Jefferson's, and there's nobody fucking here. I can't even believe this, man. The puppy kennel is so full of dog shit, it's unbelievable. But his truck is so covered in fucking mud. And I feel like shit. And it's also cost us $60 fucking for nothing. Unbelievable, man. I'm fucking sick. Unreal.